Welcome to Doofa. In this video I'm going to show you how to buy, download and install Doofa products on your computer. So here we are on the home page of the Doofa website. You can see the Doofa products right on the home page. Or if you prefer, you can take a look in the products menu where all the Doofas are listed. So let's take a look at one of the products, a dress spritzer. Here I can see a description of the product. I can take a look at an intro video and see some examples of how the product works. So I'd like to go ahead and buy that, so I click Add to Cart. And here you can see it in the cart. So I'm going to continue shopping, and I think I'll buy another product. Let's go for Lock Crock. And here you can see both products in the cart. If you're buying individual Doofas, you'll find that you can only select one of each, and that means they're licensed to one individual. To buy Doofas for another individual working on a separate computer, they would need to go onto the Doofa website and buy the Doofas separately, as I've shown. There is a possibility of buying more than one license. To do that, you'd need to buy the whole caboodle. The whole caboodle is a suite of all the Doofa products. So I'm just going to take the individual Doofas out of the cart, and that will allow me to add the whole caboodle to the cart. So what I'm doing here is buying all the Doofa products in one go. And if I do that, I can buy for a number of people. So say for example I've got 3 people, 3 computers in the office that need to have Doofas installed. I can select 3 there, and I just update the cart, and you'll see the total price changes. Now for this demonstration I'm just going to buy the whole caboodle for me, so that's all the Doofas but just for one license for one computer. So here I am, I've got 1 in the cart, and I can go to the checkout. So to make a purchase I can pay either by PayPal or using a credit or debit card. So I'm going to pop my card details in here. And then I click the complete order button. And it takes a few seconds to process. And there you can see the order has been confirmed. It's also worth mentioning that although the prices are shown on the website in your local currency, the payment will be made in New Zealand dollars at the most recent exchange rate. When you've placed your order, you'll see that you receive a confirmation email. A minute or so later, you'll get another email with the link to the Doofa download and the license key for your Doofas. While you wait for that second email, I'd really recommend creating a Doofa account. Having an account will allow you to more easily access details of your order and information about your license key should you need them in future. So I pop in my name and an email address. I pop in a memorable password, and then I can create my account. So if I hop back into my email, you can see that I've got two emails, one confirming the activation of my account and the other with the download link and license key. So before I download Doofa, I'm just going to finish off activating my Doofa account. I don't have to do this before downloading Doofa, but it will prove useful in future. So there's my account all set up, and it means that I have access to details about my order that I can log into via the Doofa website at any time. And there's the order that I placed, along with the license key. So let's hop back into the email again and go to the email which says Doofa download and installation. You'll see here that there's a link to download the Doofa installer, and there's also a license key, and you'll need these both to download and install Doofa. You'll also see in this email some instructions on how to download and install Doofa. So to start the download, we click on the link, and you may get a little warning that asks you whether you want to run the installer, so you just click run if that's the case. You'll then see the license agreement, which is the same as the license agreement on the Doofa website, and you need to click to show that you accept the terms of the license agreement. And then the installer will start downloading. This might take a minute or two. Right, so the Doofa is now downloaded to your computer, so you just click Finish. Now we're going to head over to Excel and open that up. And as soon as you open it up, you'll find a little dialog box appears with the Doofa activation. So in order to activate Doofa, you need to enter the license key. So we'll go back to our email. And you can see the license key there. So you can copy and paste this. You select it, press Ctrl C to copy. Then go back into Excel, Ctrl V to paste, or you could type in the license key if you prefer. And then just click Activate. And it's as simple as that. Doofa is activated on your computer. Click OK. And now, if you take a look at the menu at the top of Excel, you'll see Doofa appears there, and all the Doofas are listed under this menu, ready for you to use. So I'll just open up one of these so you can see. Doofa installed on your computer and ready to go. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the video useful. To find out more about Doofa, go to www.doofa.com.